The general purpose is always going to be the same, y'all. It was the same. Yeah, it was to inform, right? Wasn't that fun? And then there was another one, too. Fantastic. Thanks. I'm glad you all got it. We could totally play charades together. And then the last one was to... What? Yes, y'all. Every single speech will always fall into one of these purposes. Do not let people be confused. Is this an informative speech or persuasive speech? Hopefully, throughout the process of your development, they will come to understand it is very much a persuasive speech. So the only thing you are going to write for your assignment under the general purpose is 2 words, right? 2. There you go, everybody. It reminds us exactly of what our purpose is. Our work and our research and our stories, our examples, our visual aids are all going to be seeking to help persuade my audience to draw to a conclusion. So our proposition of policy, the first thing that I want you all to think about is, to whom am I speaking? So put that in the foremost of your mind. What audience can make a change? As we begin to write our proposition, which is very much like writing your central idea, right? We're going to simply bring this down. So the first words are to persuade. And then what usually comes after those 2 words from the speeches that we've written, the 3 that we've written thus far? Yeah, right? We don't know this yet. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to leave this blank. Because who do I want to speak to? What audience, in fact, can make a change based upon the solution that I am going to implement, or that I'm going to be suggesting? Is it the audience in front of you? Those will be your fellow students. Can my audience, in fact, make change? Can they be the ones to take action on whatever I am asking? The other audience that may be a possibility is the agency. Agency, if you will, if you think about it, there's agents and agency. You know how, like, modeling agencies or talent agencies work? Or even, like, employment agencies? No. Okay, doesn't matter. Well, let's say, for example, I want to persuade a, law. And I wanted to persuade, so for example, even at the top there, it says the federal government should legalize recreational marijuana. The agency is who? Yeah, the federal government. An agent within that federal government would be somebody like Donald Trump. Does that make sense? Or I could write it to the president of our university, Snyder. And the agency is who? LMU. So the agency is the vehicle through which those individuals act. So it depends on, oftentimes you may want to make your audience LMU, the administration of LMU, the business department of LMU, right? Or do you want to make it a specific person or group of persons per se? Or do you want it to be us? That goes along with this second part here in regards to different types of policy. So it says here that there are 2 different types of policy. Policy for passive agreement and then policies for immediate change.